Hey, what's up everyone? Lee here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp notifications not working on your iPhone or Android device. Don't worry, it's a pretty quick and easy fix, so let's jump right into it. First, let's make sure your phone is not in vibrate mode. On the side of your iPhone, there is a toggle button that changes it from vibrate mode to audio on. So make sure you pull it towards the face of the screen to toggle it on. This will help with the notification actually ringing to your phone and you hear the notification chime. Next, let's go to the settings and find the notification tab. Here at the very top you can see show preview option. Tap on that and make sure it says always. This will ensure that you always see the preview of your WhatsApp notification. Now let's find WhatsApp in the notification tab and make sure that everything is turned on, including sounds, badges, show and CarPlay. This will ensure that you get notifications whenever you receive a message or call on WhatsApp. But wait, there's more. We also need to make sure the notifications within WhatsApp app are turned on. So let's tap on WhatsApp notification settings button at the bottom of the page, and again make sure that everything is turned on. You can even hit the reset notification settings button at the bottom to ensure everything is set up correctly. Another important step is to make sure that low power mode is turned off. This mode limits the notifications and can prevent them from getting to your phone, so make sure it's toggled off. Now let's go to the general in the settings to find background app refresh. Toggle it on and make sure WhatsApp is also toggled on. This will allow WhatsApp to refresh any messages if it gets any, even if it's not visibly seen on your iPhone or Android, and show you the notification as they come to you. Finally, turn off your phone and turn it back on again by tapping and holding the power and the volume down button until you see a slider to power off option. Then just turn it back on and you should help those notifications come through. And that's it. Following these steps should allow you to get notifications working on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.